Getting traffic from Google relies on a combination of three specific things. The first is having the basic SEO knowledge of how Google works. Obviously, the more knowledge you have, the better equipped you are to speed things up dramatically. Lucky for you and me, you don't have to be an SEO expert to rank high. Which leads us to the second piece of the puzzle. The second important thing is getting links to your web pages. If you don't have links, you're just not going to rank in Google. It's that simple. You need links, and lots of them. Since you already have the basic SEO knowledge of how Google works, you clearly already know this, and you're already building links to your websites. But no matter how many people tell you that this is all you have to do, it's not exactly that easy. You can't just build links pointing to your money sites and expect to instantly increase your rankings. And this is exactly why there's a final, third piece to the Google traffic money-making puzzle. The majority of the time, this crucial piece is completely overlooked, and it's why most marketers aren't able to get high Google rankings. So, what is it? You guessed it, it's links. But by links, I don't just mean getting more and more of the same links to your site. This is where most people tend to miss the mark, so listen carefully. Yes, it is obviously critical to get quality links to your website or you won't rank highly. But there's a bit more to it than just that. You can't just build links and stop there, thinking that your site is going to instantly rank higher. In order for Google to reward you for having more links and rank you higher in their results, Google has to actually know that those links exist, which is what this third piece of the puzzle does. How does that happen? Well, Google is constantly sending out their robots across the web, crawling all over websites in their index to see what sites they're linking to. This helps Google determine which sites are deemed popular, thus increasing the rankings for those highly linked to sites. The problem that we all run into is that many of the new links that we're building are never being crawled by Google. It's not that our links are bad, or do not hold any potential link juice. That is rarely the case. The reason is that Google simply doesn't know that these new links exist. Practically all of the time and money we put into building these links was wasted until Google knows they exist. And once these new links are visible to Google, rankings start to increase. So how do we get Google to naturally notice these links and start pushing that link juice and ranking power to our websites? What we've done is we've created a brand new system that will do this for you 100% automatically. Our fully automated system will get your links quickly indexed for you. And when I say automatically, I mean it. All you have to do is plug your links into our pipeline, and we do all the rest. What the link pipeline system does is automatically build links to your links, strengthening the power of the links that you've already built, indexing those links, and giving you a faster, higher, and more stable ranking increase in Google. This is the last and arguably the most important step in your backlinking campaign. If your links don't get indexed in Google, then all of your work will be for nothing. Once we have your links, we post them through our network and get Google to notice your hard work. Link Pipeline gives Google the exact bait it needs to find your links and give your sites the rank boosts that they deserve. And to keep things simple, know that Link Pipeline can work for any website, any niche, and any set of links. Link Pipeline was built for all internet marketers of all levels, not just those who are already making a killing online. Unlike any other linking system out there, you don't need to be a techie genius to use it. All you need to do is add your links to Link Pipeline, click submit, and we do all the rest. In order to build my ideal indexing system, it not only had to work extremely well, it needed to be affordable. It should go without saying, but in my opinion, something isn't ideal or near perfect if it's too expensive for the average internet marketer to use it. So that's why I've created different linking packages customized for all levels of marketers. It's tailored to you and to the number of daily links that you need to get indexed. Now, one very important thing that I need to mention is that we are limiting the number of memberships to Link Pipeline. This is so that we can guarantee the effectiveness and quality of our system without diluting it with too many users. I personally use this system for my sites too, so I want to make sure it's performing at its highest level. As soon as our limit is reached, I will be closing the doors to new members, and there's no guarantee that it'll reopen. So go ahead and click the Add to Cart button next to the link package that best fits you, and get instant access to this monster of a link indexing system while the doors are still open. I'll see you in the members area.